Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on Web Development Fundamentals. Our focus is on HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages and is the backbone of almost every website you see on the internet. In this session, we'll explore the basics of HTML and how it structures content on the web. From headings and paragraphs to links and images, HTML allows us to organize and display information in a way that browsers can interpret and render. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of HTML's core elements and how to start building your own web pages. So, let's dive in and start building the foundation for your web development journey. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. For example, this is start tag. This is some content between start tag and end tag. This is end tag. Elements explanation. The doctype HTML element declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to HTML and explain what we will be doing and how we will do it. We encourage you to keep watching our video series so that you can learn HTML5 or even the latest version of HTML. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more tips.